Hey everyone, today we're going to be decorating this mini Christmas tree. So let's get started. I ordered this mini Christmas tree on Amazon. Unfortunately, when it arrived, the box was already opened and it looks like a little beat up. So let's see what's inside. So this is a white tree and it has decorations, and I believe it has lights already. Here's the little ornaments. It says Merry Christmas. We got some cute little pink and silver ornaments. Here's a string. I think this goes around like the base. Here's the lights, so we have to put the lights on ourselves, which is fine. More lights. More ribbon. And I guess this is the base where the tree goes in. And the silver, so this is what goes around the base. Give it a little like tree skirt. So I already have two other Christmas trees, and I bought one last year on Amazon, but I can't find either of them. And I've always wanted a white tree with like pinkish ornaments, so when I saw this I had to buy it. Okay, so let's fluff the tree. We'll start at the top. It's losing a lot of these little white pieces, so that's gonna be a bit to clean up. It's okay. So this whole time I thought that this was the top of the tree. It's not, it's the bottom. This is the top. So now I'm gonna flip it and floof it this way. So now that the tree's kind of fluffed, I still have to fluff it out as we go along and decorate, but I'm gonna put it in the base so it's kind of stable. We have something to hold it while we decorate. Okay, so first I want to take everything out of the packaging. So this one has Merry Christmas. I'll put this on more towards the end. We have the star, which we'll do last. Maybe. And then these cute little snowflakes. And some gift boxes. I think I want to do these first, the regular traditional style ornaments. And let's start decorating. I think I'm going to use this as the front. I love it already. Ah, this one just came apart. I'll just tie it back through. I hope these hold up. I mean, I think I spent $25 on this tree, so I mean, it wasn't expensive, but I hope it doesn't like, I hope these things don't break. Alright, so we got that tied. Let's continue, shall we? I feel like I tend to decorate the front of trees more and kind of, I don't really leave the back bare, but I kind of do a little bit. Doesn't it look so cute already? We have silver, pink, silver glitter, pink glitter. This one's missing a string, so I'll put that to the side. I don't know, should I put this one right here? No. I'm so excited for Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas. I love the holiday. I really wanted to put my tree up earlier, but I ordered this on Amazon last week, and the first time it was supposed to ship, it said like a shipping error or something, so I wasn't able to decorate it because I didn't get it. But I ordered it again that day because I really wanted this tree, and this time it came. So I don't know what happened, but it wasn't delivered the first time. There was an error. I really wanted to do a tree decorating video, and I really, like I said, always wanted a white tree, so I'm so excited about this. Which one should I move? Maybe I'll move. That's a lot of silver. Maybe I'll take this one off, put this one here, and then I need something like over here too. I might change up this tree a few times, I don't know. Oh, we still have other things. So now let's do, oh, the gift boxes. I thought these were ornaments. They're not. They go under the tree. That's so cute. What other stuff do I have? Okay, so I have lights. Maybe I should put these on now. I thought this was already pre-lit, but whatever. Okay, so these are super long. I have to put batteries in them too. This one will start from the top. I want a light right here where the star goes. So I'll put that there. And then I guess I'll just wrap it all around. Maybe I should have done the lights first. But I'm not a professional tree decorator. So yeah, I'm just like kind of weaving them in and out of the branches, so they kind of like stick on something. And like towards the back I kind of go a little closer to the center of the tree because, you know, I want the front to be really lit. Okay, cool. So this will land in the back. I'll wrap it around like that. That one will hang, and then we'll put the other one on. So the second one was a little tangled, so it took a little bit of time. But let's start. So I'm going to start this one from the bottom and just work my way up. Okay, so the lights are on. Hopefully they work. Hopefully they look good where they are, but I might have to move them. So now I want to do, let's do the ribbon, I guess. I think we have 2. Yeah, they gave us 2 ribbons. Just gonna kind of, they're really short. I don't know why they only gave 2. Now we're gonna put the cute snowflakes. I think they gave us 3. Yeah, 3 snowflakes. So let's do that. Put one here, maybe? Maybe we'll move this pink one up here. You can't even see. I think I'm gonna move this one. Put this here. Put a pink here. I like the glitter. So I want it to look really sparkly. I want the sparkly ones to be seen a lot. So now, here's the Merry Christmas. I don't know, where should that go? Should it go like there? Or here? Maybe here? No. Maybe right here. Kind of like a little... That's cute. So I have this one with no string on it. Maybe I can just pop it on somewhere, but I'll leave it off for now. Here's the star. Oh, I got the light there. I want to make sure I don't get this light. Actually, maybe I can wrap the light around the star. So it'll be right here. It's a little crooked. Just gonna bend this branch down, see if that kind of works better. That's the nice thing about these trees, is they're bendy, the branches, so you can like kind of make the tree how you want. I think that looks okay. A little crooked still, right? I'm looking sideways at my camera, so I'm not totally sure if that's good, but... So now I have the little tree skirt. Looks like a big piece of tinfoil. Not really sure how you're supposed to do this, but... I feel like I'm gonna knock all the ornaments off. I think what you're supposed to do is put it like open, put it under the bottom, and then tie it around the top. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure the little light boxes are not gonna get caught. Oh my gosh, this is probably what you should do first. The hardest part about the tree was getting that bottom piece on. This one I'm gonna put right here. Our little presents. It's only a few, but we'll just put them right here. So the lights work. Here's the final look at the mini Christmas tree. Thank you for decorating it with me. I hope everyone has a great holiday. Merry Christmas. And please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.